Hello, yes. Good morning, Jatin.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Jatin?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also same. In which class in this year you are?
I am studying in 11th class.
From
this
which
year.
school?
I am studying from the Mother Convent.
Who is director of your school?
Mrs. Saroj Mishra. Just chemistry maths.
What's your bullseye?
My bullseye to become an IAS officer.
What is the full form of IAS?
Indian Administrative Service.
How can we improve our English?
We can improve our English by learning English, by repeating it, by writing it, and by learning by thinking, and by emphasizing our mistakes, and by speaking, by listening. And we should always careful about our vocabulary section, as much as we have word power, so as much as we will be able to speak English.
Good. At what time do you get up in the morning?
I get up 5 or 5:30 o'clock in the
May I
morning.
know appellation, please?
My appellation is Jatin Tiwari.
What's your father's occupation?
My father's occupation is he is a businessman.
What about your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
From where you belong to?
I belong to Amanganj.
How many siblings you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Okay, what's your sleeping time?
My sleeping time is not fixed. Sometimes I sleep about 11 o'clock, or sometimes at 11:30 o'clock.
Okay, total how many hours you sleep out of 24 hours?
Maybe 5 to 6 hours.
Where is Mandal English classes situated? Do you know?
Yes, sir. It is situated nearest to Swami Vivekananda College and in front of Sundarji Kalaya.
Do you know who is the PM of India?
Yes, the PM of India is Mr. Narendra Modi.
What do you know about him?
I know that he is a good person, he is a good politician. There is world of difference between he and other, because the quality of politics he shows can't be shown by anyone, and the development he has shown within the couple of years is just amazing and can't be done by anyone. And he has done a lot of developments, and the GDP of our India is very good, and the economy that he has made is just quite good and can't be made by anyone. The quality of politics that he has shown, and the quality of leader he is can't be anyone, and he is just with the difference from other, and he has the different quality of politics, and he has shown and set the example that how a leader should be.
Good. Okay, I think you belong to Panna city.
Yes, sir.
Say something about your city.
Yeah, Panna is as we know, the Panna is a small city but beautiful city. Beautiful city. And as we are living in Panna, I love so much Panna, because there are a lot of things that you can imagine, like it is called the Diamond City of Panna. Panna is called the Diamond City. It is also famous for the temples like Kishorji Temple, Jugal, and Pranaji Temple. But the Pranaji Temple is very much famous. It is also famous for its tourism, like Panna Tiger Reserve, and there are also ponds, a lot of ponds in Panna, like Vanisagar Pond, Dharmasagar Pond. As much as I would like to say about Panna, it is not enough, because it is famous for all things, and it is also famous for its forestry, greenery, and the type of atmosphere you can get in Panna can't be get anyone, because it's fully natural, and you will it is non-polluted city. It is very good city. It is worth living city, and it is also famous for its greenery.
Yeah, Jatin, give some advice to the students. How can they improve their English language?
They should just try and improve, and they should focus on listening. First of all, they should try to listen that how's the person speaking in front of them, and they should also focus on their word power, because as much as they will learn vocabulary, so they will be able to learn English as soon as. And they should also write, and their writing section also should be good, as much as they will learn grammar section, so they will be able to write very very fluently, and they won't have to think that what they have to write, and they should focus on their speaking style, that how should they speak, and where they have to pronounce clearly.
Good. From where you have learned English?
I have learned English from Mandal English classes.
Really, you have changed a lot of Mr. Jatin. I am so much satisfied. If I would like to appreciate you, I am running short of words. Okay, clap for Mr. Jatin Tiwari. Many thanks, Mr. Jatin Tiwari.